yo? It's your boy Fetty Wap, man, 1738, you already know, man, King Zoo. I'm with my bro, Nick Bagz. Make sure y'all subscribe to his YouTube. Go check my homie out, man. Check that bag on YouTube. Make sure y'all press that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? You know why we rockin' 1738.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Nick Bagz, and you already know how I'm rocking, man. I ain't gonna keep telling y'all to subscribe to my channel, man. You hear my boy Fetty just told y'all what it is, man. Y'all subscribe to all these other goof ass niggas, man. Y'all can subscribe to my channel. Come on, y'all. I'm a real player. Don't do me like that, man. I got this footage, man, from the Grizzlys and Fetty Wap photo shoot, video shoot, man. It was so lit, man. I even made a special cameo. So I'm gonna show y'all Zoo Gang. I'm pulling up on the bikes, on the 18-wheeler, four-wheelers, man, going crazy, Joe. So y'all already know, lock in, gang. Damn. Oh, no. Damn, bro. These boys ain't fucking around. Walking that motherfucker on post now. Go crazy, Fetty. Walking that motherfucker, though. Go crazy. 1738. Hey, big boy shit, man. Hey, don't tell 12, man. Don't tell the feds, yo. Keep this shit in between us, yo. We out here with it. Oh, damn. Good snacks, though. Good snacks on folks. With my boy, we in the 8. What's up, though?
Yeah, I mean,
we out here getting
the West End. I'm talking about in the West End my whole motherfucking life. I ain't never had really fun with it, cause guess what?
Oh, no. We out here.
Been from the hood.
Yeah.
Let him know.
From the hood.
Hey. Hey. No cap. No rap cap. No rap cap. Yeah. Now it's a movie out here, photo shoot. Unlimited gigabytes out here though. Y'all know how they coming, G. Photo shoot on top of photo shoot, man. These boys making it happen out here. And these niggas up next right here on phone now. It's lit out here though. Oh no. Yeah. It's like that. It's up there though.
Right back from that song.
Yeah. Oh, now. I know what the fuck going on, man. I ain't gotta say too much. Little beach ass on phone now, man. We ain't gonna say too much to y'all people. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie to you, G. That way. That way. Y'all see my boy in the cut over